Hello! I'm doing videos after videos, so if I look the same in some of my videos, just remember, I'm not going to change just because I'm doing videos after video. So I have a haul for you guys, so I'm going to run through this as quick as possible. I have the Avon True Nutra Effects Gentle Biphase Eye Makeup Remover. That is a mouthful. I've been wanting to use this. It's been sitting in my makeup room and not in my bathroom because I wanted to tell you guys about this. This sounds amazing. Absolutely amazing. It has active seed complex in it as well, and it's a gentle biphase eye makeup remover. And I believe it's supposed to be really, really, really delicate on your eyes. So I'm going to try that out and I will let you guys know. I think there is something I can like pull the tab or something. I don't know. Am I wrecking it? I'm not wrecking it. Oh, okay. Just has more ingredients in the back. I think it's made in Poland. Yeah. Yeah, you get 200 milliliters. It has the ingredients in the back. A lot of ingredients though, but yeah, so I'm gonna have to look into that a bit more, but I thought there'd be more. Why am I doing this right now? I should be doing this after. Ah! And it opens up even more. And then it says, this biphase eye makeup remover is formulated with active seed complex and cleansing berry. Effectively removes all traces of eye makeup, even the most stubborn, including waterful mascara. Suitable for sensitive skin, free of parabens and dyes. Shake well before use, pour onto cotton ball or pad, and with eyes closed, gently smooth over the eye area. Rinse thoroughly warm water and pat dry. Guys, I'm so excited for this. I haven't even smelt it or anything. I don't think it smells like anything. I poured out too much, guys. Okay, I'm just feeling what it feels like. Oh, it's like really moisturizing feeling. Like, can you see my hand? How it looks like really moisturized now? Yeah, I leaked that everywhere. That wasn't good. Okay, so it comes out really good. Anyway, that was way too long. Sorry, guys. Then I have the Avon True Nutra Effects. Natural? I don't know. I think it's called Nutra Effects Self-Foaming Face Wash. Cannot wait. Again, the packaging is white, so it's really hard for you to see. It has it's combinational / oily skin people can use this, and that is what I am, combinational. So next thing I bought was the Unicorn Glow Wet n Wild makeup brush. So it just looks like this in the packaging. Look at the packaging. Can we look at the packaging? It looks beautiful. Stunning. Like, that is so pretty. It's just like, oh, so nice. And then the blush, the highlighter brush, because it is the highlighting brush. Yeah, highlighting brush. Looks like this. It's kind of like a fan brush, a little bit thicker than a fan brush, as you can see there. But it works really good, guys, as a fan brush. I did use it once, and then I was like, okay, I can't use it again because I have to do a video on it first. But I love the unicorn look. And it pulls purple and green. And maybe a little bit of like a goldy kind of color in there as well. So that's really pretty. And I've always wanted a brush like that. So from Penny's, I did pick up the Double Trouble and the Wispies. These are way too long, guys. Like, I don't know if it's just me or what, but the Wispy one is way too long. The Double Trouble one is okay, but it is reaching a little long. I don't know. I think it's just me. I think I just cannot get used to wearing lashes, but those are nice for €150 each. I bought the Allure lash gel, which works, lash gel. Strip lash adhesive, and it's from Allure, and I really actually am enjoying this one. It's $4.39 from my pharmacy, so €4.39, and it works really, really good, guys. I'm telling you, it works the bomb. That was the packaging, and it just looks like this, and it dries clear. So it does contain latex, so if you can't handle latex, try not to buy this. You get 8.5 milliliters. Picked up another liquid catsuit liquid lipstick, and it just looks like this, and it's in the color Nudist Peach. And I just thought to myself, I just picked up a corally color from Flormar. Oh no, these look so the same. I really hope not, because I hate when I do that, because like I don't need. Okay, so yeah, the one from actually Wet n Wild is called Nudist Peach, and it definitely runs more peach, which is right here. The one I bought from Flormar is called, oh, I can't remember. Nasty Coral is the one from Flormar, so they're not identical, thank goodness. I thought they looked really, really similar, but they're not. The Wet n Wild one is definitely very, very more peach and corally orange kind of color. So that is a Nudist Peach from Wet n Wild, and I love the Catsuits formula. So ignore all the mess behind me. I'm just gonna wipe those off so they don't smudge on me. All right, guys. Okay, what else do we got? Oh yes, this is the Power Lips Fluid from New Color. Make sure you buy this from somebody. Don't buy it off of eBay or Amazon. Find a representative who sells them, because there's a lot of fakes out there, people duping these. This is Persistence from New Color. It is the gorgeous color here. These are fantastic, guys. I have a video, should be going up either before this or after. If it's before it, I'll try to link it down below or up here above my head, guys, but it is beautiful, and that's what I'll say. And that is the color Persistence, and I think I want to get some more of these. Pretty sure I will. Some other things I'm excited about is the MARC Totally Taupe Cream Eyeshadow. So I got this from Avon. It's the color MARC. These cream eyeshadows are amazing. I have the bronze color and now the taupe, and the taupe is a beautiful, did I even show you guys? It's like a grayish taupey, beautiful, absolutely stunning, really, really, really creamy, goes on really easily, blends out lovely, stays on really, really well. Just prime your eyes and it shouldn't budge at all. So love those. And then I picked up the PS Pigment when I picked up those lashes from Penny's. Oh, I keep forgetting there's no sifter on this. And this is the pigment here, and it is called Copper Days. I am in love with copper colors, I guess, recently. Have I used this yet? I don't think so. It definitely needs a primer, a glitter primer underneath. But my hand's a little bit wet, so from wiping the swatches. So there it is. That is Copper Days, guys. Excuse me. Look at that. It is very shiny, metallic-y. Like, look at that in the sun. Well, it's not even sunny, but to the window. It glistens and glows so nice. So yeah, these are really nice. So that is the PS Eye Pigment. I definitely think I have to go pick up more of these, because these are insane. Like, put a little bit of glitter glue down. Oh yes, you guys need those in your life. You need them. Again, I'm gonna wipe those swatches off because they get everywhere otherwise. And then the last three things are actually foundations. I picked up a long time ago, wow, this has got to be like 2 months ago, Superstay 24-hour Microflex Technology in True Ivory. This is the Superstay foundation, their old one in True Ivory. I saw it for a discounted price from B&M or something like that. I think it was B&M deals. No, B&M. I believe it was B&M in the north of Ireland. And yeah, I want to try their new Maybelline Superstay one, but I wanted to get the old formula as well because I hadn't tried it in a long time. It's really nice. True Ivory is actually pretty good. I don't think I have to do anything with this one. I can't remember if it oxidizes or not. I've used it once, and this is the W7 Legend Lasting Wear Foundation, and I ended up getting this in the color Buff, what I got in another foundation that I have, but this is way darker, so their colors are not the same. So if you're buff one foundation with W7, you probably aren't buff with the same, or something went wrong with this one and it's labeled buff, but it's not. But it did look light enough-ish, I thought, maybe, but I definitely have to put lots of good few drops of color drops in to change the color, to lighten it up. Lightning drops, that's it. Spit it out, girl. So yeah, I got that as well, and I think it was like 4 pounds or something. So I wanted to try it. I think the Maybelline was 5 pounds. And then they also had, so I bought those two, and then I went again 2 weeks later and I got the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat Powder Foundation. Just looks like that. I got it in the one I feel like is the lightest, and that was Alabaster, I'm not sure. So it's just a powder foundation, and if you're oily, it's supposed to be really good for oily skin, and it is really light, which I like. And I've used it once and it's pretty good, but I think I'm going to use it as like a setting powder, not as like a powder for just my face, because I don't know, I just don't find it's good enough coverage for that. So I guess I don't need that box anymore. So yeah, that's the foundation I bought, and that's it, guys. That's done and dusted. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Until next time, take care. Don't forget to thumbs up and also subscribe. Hit that notification button so that you get notified when I do upload, because YouTube doesn't like to tell anybody when I upload. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. Until next time, bye-bye. Bye.